Hey everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me. Let's add ear flaps to a crochet hat. So I've already crocheted just all of the rounds here coming down. This is baby size. So I'm ready to add my ear flaps. So before I even fasten off the yarn from my last round there, I'm gonna go ahead, I already chained one. And again, this is for baby size. So I'm gonna single crochet in the next 8. And now if you want your ear flap bigger, you can do 10 single crochets or 12 single crochets across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to turn. I'm going to make a single crochet decrease. Single crochet in the next 4. And that leaves me with 2 single crochets left, 2 stitches, where I'm going to make that single crochet decrease. I'm going to chain 1, turn, single crochet in each stitch. That's 6 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. We're going to go ahead and do that single crochet decrease, single crochet in the next 2. That brings us down to those last 2 stitches. Make a single crochet decrease, chain 1, turn, single crochet in each stitch. We only have 4 stitches left. Chain 1, turn, single crochet decrease over the first 2, single crochet decrease over those last 2. Chain 1, turn. I'm going to make a single crochet in each stitch. Chain 1, turn. Single crochet decrease to finish that off. All right, I had already clipped my yarn off, so go ahead, fasten off your yarn, and you are done with your first ear flap. Okay, now question is, where do I place my next ear flap? Well, I just do this. So I lay it flat with my first ear flap on one side. All right, I can kind of see where my seam is there. Let's turn it this way. I can see where my seam is. So I know I want this in the back of my hat. So I'm just gonna move this over a little bit. So as you can see, there's a little less space on this side and a little more space on this side because this is where the forehead is gonna go. All right, so now I flip it over. So I want my next ear flap to line up. All right, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join in just right across. Okay, so I have my hook. I'm gonna grab my strand of yarn, same color obviously, join in my yarn, chain 1, and we're gonna do just what we did before. Make those 8 single crochets. 7, 8, chain 1, turn. We're going to go ahead and do the same pattern that we just did. Single crochet decrease, single crochet in all the stitches until the last 2. Make that single crochet decrease, chain 1, turn, single crochet in each stitch. Turn, single crochet decrease, single crochet in next 2, decrease, chain 1, turn, single crochet in each stitch, chain 1 and turn, decrease 2 times, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each, chain 1, turn, and make 1 more single crochet decrease, but this time we are not going to fasten off the yarn. All right, I'm going to chain 1. Let's just stop and pause right here so you can see we have this ear flap, we have one on the other side. Okay, I don't really like this rough edge. I want to make it look nice. So I chained one, and I'm just going to go ahead and single crochet all the way around the edge until I get right back to the tip of this ear flap. So just along the rough edge, just work your hook into any of these stitches along the edge that you can find. And then this is the easy part, kind of when you get to the edge of the hat. Okay, now we're gonna work our way back up. We're onto that other ear flap. So just go ahead and single crochet along that edge. Okay, you can even make, you could make 2 single crochets in the edge of that end of that ear flap if you want, or just keep going, it doesn't matter. All right, down this side. See how nice that looks now? So keep single crocheting until you get to the other edge of that ear flap that we started on. We're almost there. Okay, so here's just that last edge. So we're gonna go ahead, you can make a crochet in that corner there. All right, work our way back up. Okay, one more, and then I'm just gonna join. Doo-doo. Fasten off. All right, let's take a look. You can weave in those loose ends. You can actually leave this if you're gonna do a braided tail. We have one ear flap, we have another. Let's lay it down flat like this. They should look like that. So easy. Hope that helps.